Hello students, good noon. This is Nidhi Ghetia. Today we discuss about the aliphatic amines. In previous lecture, we discussed about the introduction, nomenclature and classification of the aliphatic amines. So today our content of the study is the preparation of the amine. So here, method of preparation. So what is method of preparation? The manufacturing of the amines, manufacturing process of the amines. So here, manufacturing is a made up how we make the amine in a laboratory scales or industry scales. Okay, so here 11 types of method. So first one is a reaction of the alkyl halide with ammonia. Second is a Theliamide method or Grabiel Theliamide method. Then third one is a reduction of the nitroalkane. Fourth one is a reduction of the nitrile. Fifth one is a reduction of the oxams, and sixth one is a reduction of the isonitrile. Seventh is a reduction of the amides. Eight is a reductive amination of the aldehyde and ketones, and ninth is a reduction of alkyl azide. Then tenth one is a Hoffman degradation of the amine. 11 is a reduction of the acyl azide. Okay, so first one is a reaction of the alkyl halide with ammonia to form the amine. So here we take the one alkyl halide with alcoholic solution of the ammonia to form the amine. Okay, primary amine. So here we take the ethyl bromide, that is alkyl halide, reaction with the ammonia in the presence of the alcohol environment. So alcoholic ammonia. Okay, we get the one ethyl amine and one SBr are removed. Here H2, two NH2 are replaced with Br. Br are attached with the H, so HBr are removed. Okay, then second one is a Grabiel Theliamide method. So this method, this involves the treatment of the Theliamide with potassium hydroxide to making the potassium salt. So first product is a Theliamide reaction with the KOH, that is a potassium hydroxide. Then making the potassium Theliamide. Potassium Theliamide is a potassium are attached here and H are removed. So H are attached with a OH, then making the one water molecule and removed. Okay, and then further is a one alkyl chloride, that is the alkyl halide, that is the ethyl chloride. Okay, so ethyl molecule are attached with the K, replaced with the K, and K are attached with the Cl, so KCl are removed. Then further reaction with the KOH and ethyl Theliamide react with the KOH and water, so generate the one ethyl amine and making the one potassium thalate salt. Okay, then third reaction is the reduction of the nitroalkane. First primary amine can be obtained by the reduction of the nitroalkane with a nickel and platinum as a reductive agent. So here making the primary amine, we get the primary amine with a reaction of the nitroalkane. So first product is a nitroethane. Ethane is the alkane. So nitroethane plus 3H2 in the presence of reductive agents, and we get the ethyl amine and two water molecule are removed. So H3, 3H2. So 2H2 are bind here O with O, and O are replaced with a H2. So 3H2. So here 2H2 are attached with the O2, so making the 2H2O molecules. Okay, then third one is a reduction of the nitrile. So primary amines can be obtained by the reduction of the nitrile with ammonium and nickel and platinum. Okay, NiNPT, that is a reductive agent. So here alkyl cyanide plus 2H2, platinum and nickel, that is a reductive agents, and making the N-propyl amine. Here H2 are attached here and here, so making the N-propyl amine. Okay, then fifth one is a reduction of the oxam. So primary amine can be obtained by the reduction of nitrile with nitrile with reductive agents are present, so Ni or Pt. Okay, then we take the propanaldehyde oxam, that is all oxam. This is a oxam group. react with the 2H2 in the presence of reductive agent and making the N-propylamine and 1H2O are removed. Here H2 are attached here and this is a removed and making the one molecule that is a remove. Then sixth one is a reaction of the isonitrile, so here making the secondary nitamine. Okay, maybe obtained by the reaction of the isonitrile with the platinum, that is a reductive agent. Okay, so ethyl cyanide plus H2 2H2, so making the N-methyl ethyl ethanamine. Okay, so here H2 H1H bind here and 3H bind here, so making the N-methyl ethanamine. Okay, then reduction of the amides, that is a primary amines, can be obtained by the reduction of simple amide with the lithium aluminum hydroxide. So propionamide, that is amide, propionamide plus 2H2 in the presence of lithium aluminum hydroxide, one water molecule are removed and making the propyl amine. Okay, here C water all are removed and here H2 are attached here and O H2 again removed with the O, so one water molecule are removed. Okay, then 8.1 is a reductive amination of the aldehyde and ketones. So primary amine can be obtained by the reduction of aldehyde with ammonia in presence of the reductive agents, and secondary amine produced with the treatment with primary amines. Okay, so here first we make these primary amines. So propanaldehyde plus H2 in a NH3 amination, so ammonia group are must be present. Okay, one water molecule are removed, so making the one propyl amine. Okay, NH2 group are attached here and H2 and O are removed, so one water molecule are removed. Okay, then as per secondary amine procedure, so secondary amine produced with the treatment of the primary amine. So first we take the propanaldehyde plus H2 and treatment with the primary amine. This is a methyl amine, so this is a primary amine, one water molecule also removed and N-methyl propan, one amine are generated. This is a secondary amine and this is a primary amine. Okay, then ninth reaction is a reduction of alkyl azide. So primary alkyl halide react with the sodium azide to form the alkyl azide and further reduction with the lithium aluminum hydride and gives the primary amine. Here also we making the primary amine but with help of the alkyl halide. So this is a propane chloride, this is a alkyl halide. In the presence of sodium azide, N3 minus is a azide group. So N3 minus attached with the sodium, so that's called sodium azide group. Okay, in the presence of ethanol and making the alkyl azide, N3 minus are present here, so N alkyl azide group. Further reduction with the lithium aluminum hydroxide, 2 and N2 group are removed because of the one amine group are attached here, so here 2 N are removed. Okay, then this is a propyl amine, this is a primary amine. Okay, then 10th one is a Hofmann degradation reaction, conversion of amide to amine with the help of the sodium hypohalide is known as a Hofmann degradation. So here we take the propionamide amide plus Br2, that is a halide, and making in the presence of 4NaOH and making the ethyl amine and 2NaBr are removed. Okay, then 11 is a Curtius rearrangement. So here whole structure are rearranged, whole structure are newly arranged. So here first we take the propane chloride with a react with the sodium azide, that is a N3 minus, react with the sodium azide NaN3 minus. This is the alkyl azide group and further heating and one water molecule are removed one water molecule also adding and making the ethylamine. Ethylamine generate and N2 are removed and CO2 also removed. Okay.